Hi, I'm Dan, and I'm part of the team who's been working on the Transpennine Route Upgrade here at Church Fenton and beyond. Over the past 32 days, starting 9:30 PM on Christmas Eve, we've been carrying out a huge amount of work to deliver the entry into service Stage U blockade. We've upgraded and renewed signalling systems over 30 miles of railway between Leeds and York, installing modern, reliable, digital-ready infrastructure. We've realigned and relayed 3 kilometres of track, which will allow us to increase line speeds and reduce journey times. This is the biggest blockade the Transpennine Route Upgrade has delivered to date, and it will help to deliver faster, more reliable journeys for customers, as well as delivering a greener railway for the future. We're really pleased that the work is completed on time and we've been able to reopen the railway this morning as planned. And we'd just like to say a huge thank you to all of our customers and local communities for supporting us throughout this entire blockade. It's hugely appreciated.